Hey guys. So today, I want to tell you about a really awkward moment in my life, the time I totally messed up telling someone I was late. It was one of those experiences that made me rethink how I communicate, especially in English. I used to be terrible at notifying people when I was running late. I'd panic and send a super short text like, "I'm late." Or worse, I'd just say, "Sorry, coming soon," and assume that was enough. Spoiler, it wasn't. And I learned that the hard way. So, a few years ago, I had an important meeting with a new colleague, Ria. She had just joined our company, and we were supposed to meet at a cafe to discuss a project. It was our first time working together, so I really wanted to make a good impression. But on the day of the meeting, my morning was a disaster. First, my alarm didn't go off. Then, I couldn't find my keys. And, of course, traffic was worse than usual. By the time I realized I wouldn't make it on time, I was already late. I panicked and texted Ria, "Sorry, I'm late." That's it. Nothing else. I figured she'd understand. I mean, she could probably guess that I was on my way, right? Well, not really. When I finally arrived, 20 minutes late, Ria looked annoyed. Not in a dramatic, throwing her coffee kind of way, but I could tell she wasn't happy. She sighed and said, "You could have at least told me how late you'd be." Ouch. That hit me. I had never really thought about it from the other person's perspective. She was just sitting there, waiting, not knowing if I'd be 5 minutes late or an hour. That's when I realized, just saying, "I'm late," isn't enough. People need details. They need to know how late I'll be and why, so they can adjust their plans. So after that awkward experience, I started paying more attention to how I inform people when I'm running late. I found that a simple formula works best. First, apologize briefly, no need to overdo it. A quick, "Sorry for the delay," or "Apologies, I'm running a bit late," works just fine. Second, give an estimated time so the other person knows what to expect. Saying, "I'll be there in 10 minutes," or "should arrive by 3:30, helps them adjust their plans. And third, if needed, give a short reason, but keep it simple. Instead of dumping a long excuse, just say, "Got caught up with something," or "Traffic's a little slow." So instead of just texting, "I'm late," I started using messages like, "Hey, I'm running a little behind. Should be there in about 10 minutes. Or, "Apologies, got stuck in traffic. I'll be there in 15. My personal favorite. Sorry for the delay. Want me to grab you a coffee on the way?" A small gesture that can make up for being late. The real test came a few weeks later when I was late again, this time to meet Ria again. But this time, I texted, "Hey, got caught up in something. Running 15 minutes late, really sorry. Hope that's okay." And guess what? Instead of an annoyed reply, she just sent, "No worries, see you soon." What a difference. I also realized that the way you phrase it depends on who you're talking to. For work, I keep it more professional. "Apologies, I'm running 10 minutes behind due to traffic, but I'll join as soon as I can." Or, "I might be 15 minutes late due to. Hope that's okay." For friends, I keep it more casual, hey, sorry. Got held up. Be there soon. Or, running late, but I'll be there in. And if I'm way too late, I don't just keep them waiting, I ask if we can reschedule. I'm really sorry, but I'm running too late. Can we reschedule? Or, I don't want to keep you waiting forever. Would another time work? Looking back, I totally get why my old messages sounded bad. Just saying, I'm late, is too vague. But over-explaining, like, I overslept, then my phone died, and I lost my keys, is too much information. Now, I stick to a simple and polite update. I'll be there in. Sorry for the delay. Got caught up in something, but I'm on my way. And if I'm really late, I ask, would another time work? This small change made a huge difference in my communication. Now, when I'm late, I don't stress as much because I know how to handle it politely and professionally. What about you? Have you ever had an awkward experience because of a bad, "I'm late" text? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.